Ah, Hi there, Pisces. I'm Jennifer Angel. These are your stars. Now, there's still an abundance of activity and planets happening in your sign. So, as I said last week, this is really a time of change for you. Like, change is imminent. And the difference this week is that things have settled down. The energy settled down. It's a lot smoother. Like last week, there are a lot more challenges, a lot more emotional aspects in the chart, and things being brought to head so you can look at them and deal with them. Hopefully that happened. So this week it's a lot calmer. There's opportunities coming your way, and you really need to be in a situation where you can run with them, okay? Which means a couple of things, Pisces. So you need to be focused. You've got Mars sitting in your sign still. When Mars is in your sign, it gives you the motivation and the discipline to really, get in there and make things happen. Okay, but you've got to be very aware of your time management, okay? Because when Mars is there, if you're not managing your time right, then you can be running around in circles and not really achieving anything. Okay, so that means anything that you don't have to do at the moment that is not your highest level of priority falls to the bottom of the list. It doesn't mean to say you're not going to do it, but do you need to do it right now? No. So postpone, reschedule. Okay, this is the time to really focus on what you need to do. Now, be careful with all your communications because Mercury in your sign is still retrograde. Okay, right through to the 18th of the month. You always want to give it like the, say, 3 days either side when a planet is stationary to go retrograde or direct. So it will be stationary direct on the 18th. So take that through to about the 21st before that energy settles down. Of course, then it needs to go through its shadow point, but the main disruption will be through that, say, about the 21st. So if you can put off any let's say signing of any documents or major changes until that time, then great. If you can't, then just be conscious that you need to look a little bit more carefully through the documents. Give it to somebody else as well so they can cast an eye over it. But right now, while you have all this energy, opportunity coming through, it's a good time for you to do research, get things organized, get the ball rolling. Um, so it's a very, very positive time for you. You're starting to move, things are starting to move, and things are starting to move ahead, and they'll start to fall into place. Now, let's have a look at the family area, your solar fourth house. There are two squares this week. They're both to do with Jupiter in your fourth house around your home and family. At the start of the week, it's Venus at the fourth, and at the end of the week is Mercury square Jupiter. So squares are challenging because it's with Jupiter. It's certainly not as challenging as it could be, with other aspects to do with squares. But you still want to be a little bit careful, particularly as Mercury is still retrograde. Anything that's communications or relationships that you're having with people around the family unit or the domestic scene, okay? And just make sure, once again, that you're all on the same page, you're all talking about the same thing. And one way to do that is just to read, clarify, or put things in writing. Okay, have a great week. I'm Jennifer Angel. Thanks for watching.